Hello YouTube, today I'm working on a 2006 Dodge Charger. Now if you've been tuning into my previous videos, I already showed you guys how to make your frame rail sections in this area. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this all on one panel, bend it, and shape it so you don't have to make this in multiple patches. This way it can be done in one full outer piece instead of 2 or 3 separate pieces. As you can see, I used my Sharpie and started bending this cardboard in the areas that I need, drawing the lines to represent where the bends are and stuff like that. And that way I can bring it over to my 18 gauge steel and cut it out to the shape that I need. Now remember to like and subscribe to this channel if you like seeing videos like this. I restore classic cars and also work on some modern vehicles just like this. And I can show you the how-to or how I did it. You could replicate it or you can do it to what you would like to and take my tips and create it the way that you need to. Alright, now back to working. As you can see here, I'm making this inner panel out of cardboard so that I can trace it out of the metal once I bring it over to my 18 gauge steel, just like I did here. There's 2 layers on the inside you need to replicate, and then once you get the shape that you need, you can look at my other how-to videos on how to trace those areas, and then apply it to here, bend your metal, and you'll have another inner panel ready to go. Instead of doing it in sections, it makes it a lot easier and stronger. Alright, so use your cardboard template, put it on the piece of metal, trace it with your Sharpie, and then cut it out with your shears. And then this is what you'll be left with once you bend it to the shape that you need. I use my vise and my other tools to bend this. I don't have too many fancy tools yet, but I can still make it and get it done to the correct shape that it needs to. Now remember guys, to like and subscribe and keep this channel supported. Thanks again.